Hello guys! Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs here. Thank you nga pala ulit sa Eat Bulaga, sa Bawal ang Judgmental. Bawal Judgmental. Hindi, Bawal Judgmental.
Bawal ang Judgmental.
Okay, for inviting Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs and family. So guys, today, kararating lang namin ng D-Mart. We bought some stuff and we're going to share blessing again. So, because guys of the situation here, alam niyo naman dito yung second wave ng pandemic, too many are affected. And because we're not going out to buy some vegetable or fruit, so we're going to surprise those vendors. Because tuwing umaga, they are coming here to our community. So, government allowing them to sell in the morning only, in the morning only.
Morning only.
So, they are very big help for the community. So, tomorrow, we're going to surprise them. Kasi kung wala sila, mahihirapan kami mag-survive kasi pupunta pa kami sa market to buy vegetable, fruits, and some essential food, So
we planned this long time ago, but because we ourselves get sick, and it take 1 month us to recover. That's why when we are good, we plan to share our blessings.
And
it's not big, guys, but
also they are risking their life.
Yes,
because
to come
every
here.
day they have to come out every morning just to sell everything for the community.
Yes.
So I'm very proud of them for just a little amount of income profit. They are risking their life. So guys, so we will surprise them tomorrow. We decided we will give them a tea, 1 liter of oil, just basic essential stuff.
Salt.
For the kitchen, salt. Mayroon din pala ditong munggo guys. Of course, sugar, dal, and because mahilig sila sa spicy, this is chili powder deluxe, and this one is haldi powder deluxe, turmeric powder,
and we will give them rice.
Yeah, rice. Of course, this is very important.
Rice.
Do you think they will like this?
I think so.
Our friend,
Because they have small children like you at home, so better we have to help them. All right?
Yeah, but she likes
And this one biscuit for their children.
Children. Yes.
Okay.
We should always share.
Here guys, mag-start na silang mag-impake para bukas iaabot na lang namin. So si my mom are helping us. Hello guys!
So guys, I'm starting my packing. Dal, then salt,
And this oil, this is active refined corn oil.
And this is tea.
Tea, because they like tea here, not coffee. And this chili powder, of course, chili powder, turmeric powder.
And can you pass me mongo, please?
This mongo, yan guys, may mongo rin pala dito sa amin na rin balatong. Oh, Nini is doing
and Sima is doing rice.
How about sugar? Do you want sugar?
Sugar, yes.
Okay.
Sugar.
No, read me na.
And we will put biscuit.
Biscuit for children. And for Nina, Nina is preparing, helping. Yes, for baby Kayon. Alright, come on. So that is good, Nini, huh? Okay.
Oh, Shana is preparing for baby Kiyon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So rice is separate bag and like this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 rice. At least guys, we are not offering them big help, but what we have, we want to share them because we really appreciate. We're not supposed to go out in this coronavirus, but they coming home delivering us vegetable, fruits. So they have children as well. So better we support them. So this is the basic idea. because we don't as well want to go out and expose too many
Yeah.
corona
It's
here.
no good to reach our...
Because we passed
that's
through
right.
this corona and I know how difficult it is. So guys, we are getting ready.
It's not much, but it will help for them.
Yes.
I hope so.
What? Ano to?
Hello guys, siya yung aming unang iso-surprise. Siya is always buying
I'm
to
buying
him.
from him.
Look, oh, ang gaganda na kanya mga paninda, oh. Mangga, upo, kumpleto. Ay, ampalaya,
Hot.
okra, and talong, oh. Lime. What is this? How you call this?
Tinola.
Tinola?
Tindola.
Tindola. Oh, kamatis, oh, ganda, oh. Ang liliit ng talong, oh.
Oh.
May kibal pa rin din, oh, kaya lang maliliit. Hello. So yan guys, oh. Oh, potato. Oh my god, this is... I like this. I like this. Spinach. Buy this.
Corrido no, diso.
Buy this. Chili. Alright. And coriander. Look, oh, press ng coriander niya, oh. Thank you very much. Look guys, oh, dito pag bibili ka, binibigyan nila ng coriander at saka ng chili. Kultura nila yon. Kultura nila yun, oh. Very beautiful. So, araw-araw itong nagtitinda dito. Oh,
Yan.
tutuwa siya, oh, napakita yung mga paninda niya. Okay, Shama.
Palak mari corrido khali.
This one.
Diso corrido.
Spinach, lalahukan ko ng chicken. Okay? So, I think that's it, Shama. We have mango, yeah? We have mango.
He's showing what he's selling.
Yeah. This mango is for salad only.
Oh.
Okay?
He will give me chili and coriander.
Yeah. Yan guys, oh. Basta bumili ka dito, may libreng coriander at saka
And chili free.
chili. Nagugulat ako dito eh. Hindi, di ba may labor yan bago itinanim? Tapos libre, oh. Okay?
Yes.
So, okay, put it there. And Shama. So
guys, we yesterday decide to give
surprise
to our vendor. I'm usually buying from him, so I'm going to surprise him.
Okay.
He's unaware. And I'm going to get it.
Now Shama is giving to him.
He's
Alright,
showing
very
me.
tiny. Okay?
તમારી માટે છે લો આની અંદર રાઈસ છે ચોખા તેલ ચા મોરસ મીઠું હળદી મરચું બીજું શું
Shama
છે?
is explaining.
દાળ છે
Spicy.
મગ છે
Spicy, yeah?
હા
Okay.
એટલે તમારા છોકરાને કારણ કે કોરોનામાં બહુ એ થતું નહીં ને
From Shama, from Philippines. From Philippines.
મારા હસબન્ડ ફિલિપ
All my friends. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Okay? You take care, yeah? Okay, yeah? 1-0 mga kabayan. May isa na tayong nabigyan. He is very, very happy.
બટાકા
Malaking tulong na rin sa family niya. Hello.
He's happy.
So, okay. What is your name?
તમારું નામ શું છે
વિનુભાઈ
વિનુભાઈ
Binu Bay. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much.
અજમેર
Thank you very much, Binu Bay.
થેન્ક યુ ચલો આવજો
Okay, ingat.
So guys, this is our second one and I'm always buying tomato from her. She grandmother and grandfather, they both selling together tomato every evening.
Namaste, Kamcho.
So I am going to surprise her as
Yeah.
well. Look, tomato quality. She's buying. કેટલા રૂપિયા કિલો ટામેટા? 30 rupees kilo they are selling.
30 rupees.
Yes, yesterday only I
Okay.
buy 1 kilo from her.
Okay.
But today I will surprise her.
How old is grandma?
તમારી ઉંમર કેટલી હશે? 60 plus.
60 plus.
અને
Oh
દાદા?
my God.
દાદાને ઓછા છે 1 વર્ષ.
Okay, Shama,
And
so
grandfather.
get our surprise.
હું તમને એક વસ્તુ
Guys,
આપવા
you know,
માંગુ છું.
every day she's
Huh?
selling here in the
આમાં
morning.
ચોખા છે I am explaining her this is rice. Tomato પણ
This is rice.
અને આની અંદર દાળ છે, તેલ છે, મોરસ છે, મગ છે, ચા છે, મીઠું, મસાલા છે. બરાબર?
Okay, yeah.
હા. આ મારા હસબન્ડ તરફથી ફિલિપિન્સ. He is from Philippines.
Yeah, from Philippines. Filipino.
આજો ઘરે.
You
તમારા
you go home, yeah? You go home
Got it.
straight away because you have don't sell this now. Tomorrow again or this afternoon. Yeah?
હા?
Because
સાંજે.
it's very hard.
ઘરે જતા રહે કે છે. હા? ચલો. હા? ના નથી જોતા તમે ગઈકાલે લીધા
It's alright, we have.
She said take it free.
No, don't worry.
હા.
So okay, Shama, help grandma. Okay? Thank you very much for everyday selling tomato, yeah? You helping us as well.
તમારું નામ શું બા?
Angkuyen.
કંકુબેન. Her name.
Pangku?
કંકુ.
Pangku Ben, yeah. Nice to meet you, yeah? Thank you very much.
જોજો.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
જોજો બા.
Be careful, huh? It's very heavy.
So guys, this is our third one.
Kemcho.
કેમ છો?
Alright. Look, ito yung kanyang paninda
I'm buying
oh,
from her
every
as well.
morning. Okay, so guys, ito yung pantatlo naming iso-surprise. Hello, Majama. What is your name?
તમારું નામ શું છે? નામ?
Savitaben.
સવિતાબેન.
Samita Ben. Okay, yeah? Nice to meet you. I'm from Philippines. So iso-surprise na namin siya. Sana magustuhan niya.
આમાં ચોખા છે.
Rice.
અને આની અંદર તેલ છે.
Siya may explaining
ચા છે,
now
ખાંડ છે,
what she's giving.
દાળ છે, મીઠું છે અને મગ છે. આ તો તમને આપવા માટે અમે બધાને આપીએ છીએ. ડીમાર્ટથી.
Yay. Happy?
બધાને આપવા છે અમે. હા.
Shama, happy?
ખુશ છો? હા?
કપડા ધોવાની ભૂકી
What's she telling?
ના તમે ખોલીને જોઈ લેજો. મેં જે કીટ પ્રિપેર કરી છે એ છે. બરાબર? ખાવાનું બધું હોય એ છે.
What's she telling?
She said this is powder or what? I said no, this is not powder. Essential thing like rice.
You
sugar,
tell. Rice,
rice,
spicy,
sugar,
sugar.
હળદી મરચું એવું બધું છે. આ મારા હસબન્ડ તરફથી બધાને અમે આપીએ છીએ. તેલ બિસ્કિટ એવું બધું છે એમના.
For your children, yeah?
બધાને અમે મદદ
She is
કરીએ છીએ.
risking her life just to sell this. Yo, magkano lang tinutubo niya dito?
મારી ભાષામાં મને શીખવાડે એમની ભાષા
તમે કહી દો હવે તમારી ભાષામાં આભાર તો કહેવા દો ને આપ્યું તો.
હા એમનું કહું તો ખરી તમે
હા.
મને સમજણ પાડો તેમનો મેં
I
સમજણ
don't
પાડો
understand now.
આટલો તો બહુ આભાર થઈ ગયો આભાર
વેરી વેરી થેન્ક યુ.
થેન્ક યુ
You're welcome. Because you are helping us and then in return we're helping you, okay?
એટલે અમે બધાને આપીએ છીએ.
Alright.
હા.
So guys,
Free coriander again.
oh, free coriander. Yeah, thank you
Okay,
very
thank
much.
you.
Shout out lang tayo guys. May nagpapa-shout out.
Sige,
Shout out kay Mr. Reynaldo Sustento ng Canada.
એવું લાગે મને
And the other one is pa-shout out naman po kuya from Pampanga, Angeles.
કીટ તૈયાર કરી હોય ને
This one, God bless and keep safe. Shout out naman po Miss Raquel Canlas here at San Fernando, Pampanga. Mrs. Raquel Cañas.
એનો મદદ કરે.
This one is si Mr. Rudy Dublin. Pa-shout out naman idol, Rudy Dublin and family from Imus, Cavite. Thank you po. Always watching your vlog. Mr. Rudy Dublin, shout out.
So here guys, this is our fourth person. Tell hand sanitize kar. You should sanitize your hand.
How old are you if you don't mind?
કેટલા વર્ષનો છે તું?
He's
20.
20. Okay, very
Married
young.
થઈ ગયા છે?
Yan guys,
Oh,
ito
he's
mga...
single yet.
Okay, you're single, yeah? Maybe you will find Filipina girl.
હા, તારી માટે છોકરી
Ayan o,
છે.
yan ang mga paninda niya oh. Press na press. So surprise namin siya. Okay siya ma?
Okay.
So they deserve help. Thank you for helping us and now we will little bit help.
જો તમે
Your
તાપો
family.
ભેગો છો, એની માટે અમે તમારો આભાર માનીએ છીએ.
Shama is giving
બરાબર?
now
આ છે એની અંદર ચોખા છે.
rice,
આની અંદર તેલ, મોરસ, હળદી, ઓઇલ, મીઠું, ચા, ખાંડ, મગ અને બિસ્કિટ, દાળ છે, બરાબર? ઓકે, હા ને? આ મારા હસબન્ડ તરફથી. હા,
Filipina from Philippines.
ફ્રોમ આઉટસાઇડ.
Okay.
તો તારે કંઈ કહેવું છે? કહી દે એમને આભાર.
આભાર, થેન્ક યુ તમારો, ધન્યવાદ. તમારે સારું વાલ્યું અનાજ એનો તરફથી થેન્ક યુ, આભાર તમારો.
He said
You're
very
welcome.
thank you. This is very basic essential thing and you are providing us. Very thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you as well, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you as well. Okay. So, shout out nga pala sa aking classmate, beautiful classmate, Dina Sales, at saka sa friend niya. And ingat kayo dyan sa Lipa. They are health worker. So, frontliner. So, ingat kayo dyan, classmate. And sa aking pinsan, magandang pinsan si Belinda Reyes. Kamusta kayo dyan sa Tangob? At happy birthday sa kakang Mite. Okay? Shama, you're buying, yeah, get limbo,
lemon.
yeah? We're buying lemon. So, we're buying lemon.
I'm buying for to make lemon
They
juice.
are young, but they are very hardworking. Look, oh.
He's younger, 18 years.
This is just 18 years old.
Oh,
And this is just
dear.
is he studying? Studying school? Huh?
Finish. He
Finish?
complete.
Oh my God. And now you're selling this. Are you from Najad?
Nadiad na siya.
Gujarati? Gujarati? Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you. You take
તમારી માટે એક સરપ્રાઈઝ છે. I'm going to
you
give
take care, yeah, because corona is too many, yeah. So many. So you take care. So Shama is getting his her surprise for your family. So Madam Shama now.
Every day he's selling. આ છે રાઈસ, ચોખા, આની અંદર અનાજ, આની અંદર દાળ, પછી તેલ, મોરસ, ચા, પછી મગ છે, બિસ્કિટ છે,
Spices.
સ્પાઈસ એવું છે, બરાબર? હા ને? ધ્યાન રાખજો.
થેન્ક યુ,
થેન્ક યુ હી સેડ.
થેન્ક યુ વેલ.
કારણ કે તમે લોકો અહીંયા રોજ તાપમાં એ કરીને એ કરો છો, તો અમારી ફરજ થાય તમને એ કરવાની. આવા કોરોનામાં અમને ઘરે પ્રોવાઈડ કરો છો.
So what you're saying?
I said because I really thanks to you, you are supplying us at home, yeah. So in this hot weather as well. So thank you very much to you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, you take care, yeah? Okay. Shoutout muna tayo. May nagpapa-shoutout lang from Rosemary Nicolas. Shoutout naman sa mga apo ko na sina Pia, Piyong, Johan, Amber. Salamat. God bless you all. Okay, thank you very much, Rosemary Nicolas.
Here we go, guys. We are buying always a fruit from him. So કેળા આપી દો ને 500.
This one we want to buy.
You want to buy that one?
Yeah, this one.
એ કરી દો.
So he's a good man. Always, every day, selling fruits. Selling fruits. Are you single? Oh, you got family.
એમ કે છે.
Shama,
છોકરા છે તમારા?
is he single?
One daughter.
One daughter. That's why he's working very hard every day. You take care, brother, huh?
એટલે તમે ધ્યાન રાખજો. હવે કોરોનામાં એમ કે છે બહુ કોરોનાના કેસ છે. ડબલ માસ્ક પહેરો, હેન્ડ સેનિટાઈઝ કરજો.
Yeah, Shama is telling to
કેટલા થયા મારા?
take care to this man because of situation here. Look, the mango here.
કેરી તો છે. I will give him money. 20 rupees this and 55. એટલે કેટલા
55?
થયા?
So look guys, oh, ang dami niyang panindaw. Milong, pakwan, saging, orange, mangga. Ang gaganda ng mangga niya, oh. Beautiful mango.
So I'm going to give him surprise. Hello.
Shama is giving him surprise now.
ચોખા છે. In this I'm telling what we have. Because he is speechless. What you doing?
Yeah.
We are giving to every vendor. અમે બધાને આપીએ છીએ જે અમને ફ્રૂટ, વેજીટેબલ આટલી ગરમીમાં કોરોનામાં અમને આપે છે. એટલે આભાર તમારો. આની અંદર દાળ છે, ચા છે, પછી શું કે મગ છે,
Spices.
બિસ્કિટ છે, ઓઇલ છે, એવું બધું છે. બરાબર?
For your child and family, huh?
પરિવાર માટે. અને આ ચોખા છે.
This is just our
સરપ્રાઈઝ છે મારી.
this is our just simple help for you.
હા, કારણ કે કોરોનાના ટાઈમમાં બીકોઝ કોરોના they don't have much income.
Yeah.
ઇન્કમ ઓછી થઈ ગઈ છે બધાને, એટલે બીજી અમે બહુ તો મદદ ના કરી શકીએ. આવી અમે કીટ બનાવીને
So
બધાને
please
આપીએ.
accept this, yeah, from your Filipino friends.
મારા હસબન્ડ તરફથી જે ફિલિપિન્સ ના છે એમના તરફ.
Okay.
He is speechless.
All right.
અને બરોબર, થેન્ક યુ. અને પુરાના કારમાં તમે મદદ કરી એમ મને થેન્ક યુ.
Okay. What he
In
say?
this corona time you help me, so thank you very much.
You're welcome, yeah.
હું પૈસા લઈ આવું તમારા. હા. So guys, we are very happy to that we are little bit helping our people who is providing us in this hot weather. So we are very thank you to them. Please support Bimbo Corneo vlog so we can help more and more people. Guys, don't forget to follow the Instagram and Facebook page. And
Like,
please
share, and
like, share, subscribe, and lots of comments from you guys. See
Thank you.
Thank